A video with high views isn't automatically a breakout video. What matters is how it performed compared with that channel's normal content. So I analyzed 6 YouTube channels in the AI automation niche, including Futurepedia, Matt Wolfe, Liam Ottley, Nate Herk, AI Jason, and the AI Advantage. I added the 6 channel URLs and analyzed their 10 most recent videos. The actor requires at least 8 videos to establish a baseline, and I set the minimum outlier score to 2. This means we only keep videos performing at least twice as well as the channel's normal content. I also enabled AI analysis, while comments and the other social platforms remained disabled. The run found 7 outlier videos. The strongest result came from Futurepedia. This video received 152,924 views. Futurepedia's median was only 27,474 views. That means it generated 5.57 times the channel's normal views. Its likes were 5.74 times above baseline, while comments were 6.43 times higher. Its combined outlier score was 5.74, making it a strong outlier. The AI analysis shows that the video used a hidden feature hook, presented Claude design as a hidden superpower, and demonstrated a specific transcript-to-animation workflow. Possible performance drivers included curiosity, immediate visual proof, a clear creator pain point, and the promise of exact prompts and actionable steps. The second strongest result came from the AI Advantage, with an overall score of 5.57. Instead of manually reviewing around 60 videos, we now have 7 proven outliers and a structured explanation of the topics, hooks, formats, and angles worth studying. This workflow can be scheduled weekly for any niche, giving content teams a continuous source of data-backed video ideas.